Stories, such as moral stories, have the power to shape mankind's destiny. Some stories have survived time, able to deliver universal messages, transcending generations. This is your story today. Stories have been with us ever since we learned to gather around fire, look at the starry sky above, and question our place on this planet, on this universe. Where I come from, who am I? How did it all started? And how do we want it to end? The new tribes, nations, religions, institutions, and those communities we are part of, they all create and shape our human nature. There is one very good reason for us to start listening to the stories we are told. One reason that takes us to the very essence of who we are, as thoughts create reality. Why is it that we tell stories